Good day, everyone. I am Sarah J. Talento, one of the BBF scholars and a third-year civil engineering student here in Camarines Norte State College. I'm passionate about understanding the complexities of infrastructure and its impact on society. My goal is to become a skilled and professional civil engineer contributing to sustainable urban development and infrastructure innovations. Along the way, I faced challenges like learning complex engineering concepts and keeping up with the technology. The experience has been demanding but rewarding. Collaborating with peers and mentors has helped me to overcome these challenges. Despite the hurdles, I am excited to make a positive impact as a future civil engineer. I am looking forward to continuing my journey as a student and a scholar. I am forever grateful to Bonavilla Foundation and Marie Lampe Scholarship.